So here's the second night the drone is back. And today we're gonna try to get a good picture of it. This is right through my window. And this is as good of a magnification that I can get for you guys. That's a weird looking something. I'm gonna have to blow it up later. I'm gonna open the window and see if there's noise. Last night, a similar thing was making a whole bunch of noise, so I'm pretty sure this is a drone. Let's open the window. Yeah, so this is through the screen. Let me try to get a shot just through the window. Try to get a little reference point of the building across to see if it's moving. Jeez. Now it's catching my screen. Ah, darn it. Oh, come on.